what's up and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a salad dressing. So all you need is some olive oil, some cider vinegar, some soy sauce, some honey or any other sweetener, some ginger and a clove of garlic. First you need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 and 2. Then next you need 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar. Okay, so 1. Then you need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. There we are. And another tablespoon of honey or any other sweetener. I'll use 2.5 tablespoons. There we are. And then we need some grated ginger. So just grate some in there. Just give it a tap. And then we need some grated garlic. And then we need to mix it around. And there we have our final salad dressing ready to put on your salad. Thank you for watching.